Hey everyone, welcome back to Kotlin with Compose. Today we are diving into something super exciting, setting up your very first Android project in Android Studio. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skill, this guide will walk you through the essential. So let's get started. First thing first, let's open Android Studio. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from the official Android developer site. And if you don't know how to download and install, please follow the link that pops up at top right of this video. Once you are on the start page, click on the new project. So if you click on the new project, then it will show something like this. And since we will be doing this on Kotlin and Compose, so please select empty activities with this icon, Compose icon, and press next. And we'll be setting our app name, our package name, and our save locations, also the minimum SDKs and our build configuration type in this section. So let's give our app name and let's call it my first app, and this is the package name, and this package name can be changed as whatever you want to change it, and so it should look like this. So this is the save locations, and this is the minimum SDK that we are using, and we will be using API 26 Android Oreo, which support almost 95.4% of the device. And for the configurations, we will be using Kotlin DSL, and click on finish. So once your build configuration is completed, then you will see something like these screens, and there are lots of files and folders right here, which you might find quite confusing, but don't worry, here I am to break it down for you. So we'll be talking about the manifest and these Kotlin Java files, the Android manifest files. In this file, what you basically is going to do is you will going to provide the informations that what kind of activities that this application contains. All the activities that are present in the applications or that will be used in the applications must be declared in this manifest file, and all the permissions that you will be required, like if you are using location permissions, if you are using camera permissions, if you are using any other permission, then you have to include those permissions in this Android manifest file. And also the app names and app icons, everything's are detailed in these screens. Because of these screens only, your applications will know what your app name is, what your applications icons will look like, and all things that are essentials for Android development. Will be using this Android manifest file to use features or permissions or anything that is required for our Android development part. Now let's talk about the main activity class. The main activity class is very essential for Android applications. This is the entry point of the app. It is where we will define what happens when our app starts, and if you are using Java, then it will be something like MainActivity.java file. So we are using Kotlin, so this is MainActivity.kt file here. And beside the main activity, there are two Gradle files, that is build.gradle file. As you can see here, that there is one build.gradle.kts and another build.gradle.kts. One is for the project modules and another is for the app module. The project module is where we will define our plugins, and the app module is where we will define our dependencies, and also where we will set our minimum SDK version, targeted SDK version code, version names, package name, and other related stuffs. And if you want to add any dependency, then we will be adding our dependencies over here. And currently the Android applications use the version catalogs, which is .toml files, and which looks like this, and it is not very much confusing to understand. Later in my videos I'll be covering about these tomls and all the build.gradle stuffs too, so stay tuned to my channel for more updates about the build.gradles and so on. So furthermore, there is a res folder where our resources will be kept, like our images will be kept in this drawable folders, and similarly we can create our colors, strings and theme in the value sections, and similarly our other stuffs in the XMLs, like for data extraction rules, for backups, or also for the file provider types. So we can use the XML file. We'll also be covering about these folders in our next video, so stay tuned to our channel guys for more updates on the Android. So for this video, let's hit this green icon here and let's run our first projects in our emulator. So this is something, so this is the output that you will get once you run this application. So I hope you find this video very useful and very interesting, and if you are watching this video till now, then thank you for watching. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel, hit a bell icon so you never miss any of our updates. And I want each and every one of you who has followed this video from start to very end, so I want to congratulate them on creating your very first on Android projects. And in coming videos we'll be diving deeper into building more complex apps, adding interactivities and much more. If you found this video tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons to get notified to our latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy coding. And also, if you have any questions or topics that you want us to cover, then please drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.